Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Blurry on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve Blurry on Instagram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Instagram. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can uninstall your app on Play Store and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.